clip I'm going to demonstrate the basics of the lost signs. In class we proved the lost signs, and in this video I'll solve a triangle using the lost signs, and I'll also show you a clip that also proves the lost signs, that the sign of an angle is to the opposite side and it's proportional to the other two cases. In this script you can see the sign of B is to the sign of to its opposite side as the sign of A is to its opposite side, and no matter how I orient this triangle and move it around, you can see that the ratio maintains the same ratio, 0.21 in all three cases. And as you make the triangle obtuse, you can make it acute, you can see that the ratios are the same. Now let's show you a triangle being solved using the lost signs. Let me take this out of here, and let's pull a triangle in here. This triangle ABC is an angle side angle case, so we can use the lost signs using first we needed it in this problem we're going to be asked to solve this triangle, and what that means is to determine the missing measures. You have three measures given in an angle side angle case, which is perfect for the lost signs. So we can first solve the missing angle by knowing that three angles sum to 180. If this is 60 and that's 50, the remaining angle here has to be 70. Substituting what I know, the three ratios, I know that the sine of 50 degrees is to the side that's opposite 50. In this case, that's A. And this sine of 70 degrees is to its opposite side, which is 6, and so on. Now we have this proportion to solve. Simply just put in, and the TI-83 accepts this beautifully, just cross multiply here. 6 times the sine of 50 equals A times the sine of 70. Cross multiplying, you'll get this side to be approximately 4.89. So let's put that in there. Be careful when you're doing this. Make sure you're in degree mode. So this side opposite 50 is 4.89, and then we'll solve the other proportion here. 6 times the sine of 60 equals C times the sine of 70. And in the calculator, this is an exact answer right here. You can put it in the calculator just as you're seeing it, and that side comes out to be 5.53. And I'll put that here. Nice to analyze this, because since we're relying on the calculator, let's make sure that these numbers make sense. The largest side, 6, should be opposite the largest angle. Therefore, it makes sense that these two sides would be less than 6, and the side opposite the 60 would be greater than the side opposite the 50. That's the basics. There are a couple catches that we have to be careful of, but in the homework that follows, you're going to be just solving for very basic triangles like this.